Hello everyone, welcome to Infometry's Knowledge Series. Today, you will learn how to delete data within Google Sheets using Infometry's IICS Google Sheets connector. If you're interested in the Google Sheet connector, send us an email at info@infometry.net for pricing or the trial version. Now back to the video. The first step is to log on to Informatica Cloud with your respective username and password. Click New to create a new task, and within that, press Mapping. Now enter a name for the mapping task, and after that, click Source. In Connection, select Flat File Connection. And select Object, that is the CSV file. Now select Delete the CSV file. This shows the range to delete. In this example, delete A40 to G50. Now click on Target, then click Target under Properties. Now select the connection and pick the Google Sheet for which you want to delete the records. In View Connection, verify the Google Sheet name. Select the object to pick the sheet. In our example, it is Sheet 1. Finally, from the operation, pick Delete Operation. Now click on Field Mapping to map the field from source to target. Click on Auto Match and then select Smart Match and save the task. Click Run. When you click Run, you select Runtime Environments and click Run again. Now go to My Jobs to see the status of the task. The task is successful. Now go to your Google Sheets and check that the records have been deleted from A40 to G50. Thank you for watching.